Hey guys, today we're making ginger, eggplant, and mushroom rice. Okay, so you're going to need one large eggplant, slice off the tops, and then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Other ingredients that you're gonna need includes one large portobello mushroom, 3 teaspoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons chopped green onion, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 2 cups of rice, dry, 5 cups of water, 5 teaspoons vegetable bullion, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon black garlic powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 lime, cut in half, 1 tablespoon agave or sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, about half an ounce of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds for garnish. So the first thing we're gonna do is saute these eggplant bites. We heated it up with 1 teaspoon of the olive oil and sprinkled them with salt. And now we're adding the spices and the ginger, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of the vegetable bouillon. You're also going to stir in the agave and green onions. Put on the lid and let it saute for 3 to 5 minutes because the eggplant needs to cook longer. I really like eggplant. 1 serving of eggplant provides at least 5% of a person's daily requirement of fiber, copper, manganese, vitamin B6, and thiamine. It also contains antioxidants. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 and antioxidants in eggplants all support heart health. Okay, once we get the eggplant cooked how we want, we're going to scoop the eggplant into a bowl and set it aside. Oop, you also added the cornstarch into the eggplant mixture as well. Don't forget that. Okay, you're gonna scoop it out and then add a teaspoon of olive oil and then put the mushroom slices. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and squeeze half a lime in there. And sear the mushrooms for 2 minutes per side and then remove them and put them aside as well because we're going to use the same pan to make the rice. You can add a little cilantro if you like. Then you're going to make the rice. So combine 2 cups of rice, I used jasmine rice, with 4 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You're also going to add 1 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon and stir it nice and good. Put the lid on and cook on medium heat for 8 to 12 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. Then remove heat from the rice and you can plate the rice with the eggplant and mushroom on top. I like to sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds on top for garnish. The full recipe will be in the description of this video, as well as a link to my free plant-based recipe ebook, 20 plant-based recipes I ate to lose 60 pounds. Don't forget to subscribe to Any Reason Vegans and visit our blog by the same name.